Hi guys, today we are going to talk about how to use Leonardo AI, that's Leonardo Artificial Intelligence. So first of all, you go to Chrome, then on Google Chrome you type Leonardo. You will see it to show you Leonardo.ai, and it will open like this. My one, I've already done that on my Google Chrome. That's why you see this interface, because that's why you see the Leonardo interface already. So when you open your Google Chrome, on the search button on Google you type Leonardo.ai and it will get you to this place. Then you will say create account. It's opening. Let's give it time to open so that we can be able to create our account. So this is the interface of the Leonardo.ai, and it's good for you to use Google sign in, so that you just use your email and do everything automatic for you. If you are using Apple phone, you can use your Apple email login to log in. If you are using I know everybody has email address, so the easier way to automatically log you in is to use Google, of which I'm using Google. So it's asking me which of the email I want to use, and I'm using the first email. For it to load, I know it's an artificial intelligence app, so trying to load. Here come the interface of the Leonardo.ai. So now let's create a catching art, a catching design, graphic design that can pay you as a content creator. Now what I want to design is a graphic design with good color background that I will use, or you can use, to market your product. Now I want to create something that I can use as a background on my picture. Then how do I do that? Come to create new image, create new image. It's coming. Then this is where here is to create new image. It's coming. So this is AI image. Then I'm telling it to design a beautiful wall for a YouTube video with good background setup, and it has to be small. It has a small bookshelves on side with some few books and some tech gadgets table with a table lamp. So I'll tell it to generate. I'll click on this generate. It's bringing it up. It's trying to generate the information I inputted here. It's coming. Okay, so this is what it generates. So it left for me now to choose the one I want. If I like this one, I can take it. If I like this, I can also take it. As you see, this is beautiful. Like I describe, I say I want a YouTube studio with shelf and small books on it, and with a lamp, a table lamp on it, and it generates different type of image for us. This is fine. This is fine. So it generates almost 5 images just for you to pick. Then after that, you tap it and say download image. Like it's downloading now. It's downloaded. Then you can go to your phone to open it and use it for your work. Subscribe to my channel so that when I post the next video, you'll be able to see it. Bye.